In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in TallyMoney account.
First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tallymoney.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TallyMoney. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to sign into your account, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface of TallyMoney. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password. Click on the field of email address. Now make sure to provide the correct email address over here. After you enter the email address, what you have to do is enter the password. Click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password. After that, you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your email address and password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in TallyMoney account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.